What's up, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thanks for stopping by. I just want to make a real quick video about not really about selling shoes on Amazon FBA, but just about a particular pair of shoes that I bought to sell on Amazon FBA and sort of my thought process behind it. So if you're looking to get into selling shoes on FBA, you're going to come across a lot that maybe don't have any available, and it's the same with clothes too. And what I mean by not have any available is you could scan the item and it could come up and say 0 listings, but it has a super high sales rank. So you're like, what's up with that, right? So this is a case of a pair of shoes like that, and I want to share with you just sort of my buying decision behind it. And as with anything, could have been a good buy, could have been a bad buy, but I'm thinking it's going to be a good one. So feel free after the video to let me know in the comments what you would have done, what you thought, or what you think of these shoes. And yeah, here we go. So these are brand new. For one, they're brand new in the box. They're Asics, brand new. And then here's the price tag on them, $30. They are the women's Gel Venture 5, and they're size 6. So they're not the newest Gel Ventures, but they are new. The store I got them from, they put these zip ties to try to, I guess, keep people from stealing them. But this is what they look like. They're small. They're a women's size 6. Size 6 is sort of small for a woman. You know, women I try to go like 7 to 10ish, so 11 is sort of a higher size, and anything under 7 is sort of a lower size. But as someone who wears a 15 myself, I know that some of those outliers, some of those sizes that are not that common, you know, I appreciate. So I've sold several size 6s, and they sell pretty quick in different kinds of shoes. So that's what they look like. Now let's take a look and see why I picked them up. So let's see if we can flip this here, flip this up. All right. So here it is. Here's the actual shoe, Asics Women's Gel Venture 5 running shoe. And as you can see, even just from the detail page here from Amazon, it's the #1 bestseller in women's trail running shoes. So I'm not sure how big of a category trail running shoes are, but we can look down here and we can see that its best sales rank is 1,694 in clothing, shoes, and jewelry. That's actually pretty amazing. And this, if this was the only ASIN under the parent ASIN, then this would fly off the shelf. What I mean by that is a lot of times there's parent ASINs on here. So, and you can see here, sales rank history is of a parent ASIN, not of the specific variation. So if that 1,000 was of this specific variation, that would be amazing. Still pretty good though, I think. So what happens is Keepa here, that means for this entire shoe, all the sizes, all the colorways and everything, this is the sales rank for them. But look, even that these shoes are from a few years ago, look at the sales rank still in August, September, 795. I mean, that's really good. Here's the buy box up here at 65, right? So when you try to look for these, we're on this color, and we want it in a size 6. Well, as you notice, there's not a size 6. Okay, that's good for us because if somebody wants a size 6 in these, in this specific color especially, it's going to be good. But even if not, say you want to buy this shoe, okay, I wear a size 6. So now you can see the only colors that have a size 6. So all these colors aren't going to be available to this person wanting this shoe in a size 6 from Amazon. So you've got this color, right, and they want $64.95 for it. You got this color here, and they want $64.95 for that. And we got this color here, $59.95, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shoe, and I paid $30 for it, and I'm going to sell it for, on the low end, probably $65. I might list it for $70, but with winter and stuff coming around, I think that I'm probably just going to put it at $65 to try to get it out the door. And I did get a few pairs. I think I picked up 3 pairs. So let's look at what the profit would be on this. So here's the shoe, and you can see it's the A6 Women Gel Venture 5 Women's Silver Gray Carbon Dutch Blue 6M US. So this is this specific shoe that we have. And so if we sell it for $64.95, here's all the fees and everything, and I paid $30 for it. So the total profit is going to be $18.98. That's pretty good, especially if they sell fast. Even if I have to hold on to them for a few months, that's a pretty good return on your investment, right? So we'll just say $19 would be the profit divided by our original buy cost. That's a 63% ROI. That's pretty dang on good, especially for something with a sales rank that low. Excuse me. So again, when you're out there looking for shoes or clothing and things like that, keep in mind that the sales rank is different than if you're buying, say for example, a toy, where it just has that toy and it has that ASIN, that Amazon identification number. That sales rank for that toy is going to accurately reflect how fast it's selling, more so than something with a shoe where it could have the parent ASIN and it's saying that this is going crazy nuts selling, but that's for all these different colors, right? And that's a lot, and this is a lot of different colors. So if this was something like, I don't know, these are not going to be a lot of them probably because they are outdated. They're an older model. But if this was a size 9, look at all these size 9s, right? So they got plenty to choose from on size 9s. Okay. They even have, I think, the color that we have in a size 9, wherever it's at up here. Yeah, right here. So the size 9, $64.95 seems to be pretty much about common price here. So that would have been a little bit more sketchy, right? If I would have got a 9, I don't really know if it's this color because this is sort of an odd color, or if it's something probably more common, like like one of these or one of the more neutral colors, something like that. So anyway, just keep that in mind. Anytime you buy something to resell, either it's online or local, it's always going to be a risk. And with shoes and clothing, yes, there's a higher return rate probably than toys and things like that, but you can make a lot more money too, right? So just keep that in mind. Everything's a risk. You got to weigh your risk and reward. For me, it's okay to spend, say if I got 3 pair of $90, and potentially earn $60 profit back over the next few months as I'm continuing to source, as I'm continuing to send stuff in. So this would be something that I'll keep an eye on, and I'm going to send it in and see if it sells. I'm thinking it will. I think it's a good. I think it was a good buy. But that was just my decision-making process when I'm out looking for shoes, and maybe something that'll help you along the way. So if you got any comments, please feel free to leave them below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And I can't wait to get back on YouTube again and start posting some more stuff consistently. I love sharing information and helping people out. So thanks a lot for checking in, and I'll catch you guys next time.